Well, it's the party season and what should we make for our little toddlers for their party? भाई अकेले अकेले पार्टी करने में मजा नहीं आता, right? We have to involve children and we have to ensure that they also eat something which is fun yet healthy. So come on, let's make some yummy zucchini parcels. So for zucchini parcels, let's make the filling of the parcels, for which I'm going to heat up a pan, add some oil to it. Just going to heat up the oil. Alright, so अब इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा garlic, and I'm also going to add a little bit of chili flakes just to give a little flavor and color to the oil. Look at that beautiful color. Alright, time to add the corn. Now we're going to season this with some salt, some pepper, and now some mixed herbs to give it a nice flavor. तो इसमें जो मैंने कॉर्न यूज किया है straight from the cob, उसे थोड़ा सा बॉईल किया and हल्का सा क्रश किया because ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए है, so they may not enjoy the entire bite. लेकिन अगर आप बड़े बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं तो आप कॉर्न को पूरी तरह से होल भी रख सकते हैं. Okay, so now this is done. You don't have to do much. इसको अब बंद कर देते हैं and साइड रख देते हैं ताकि ये थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाए. Okay, but first let's work with the zucchini जिसके हम parcels बनाएंगे. तो कैसे parcels बनाएंगे? I'll show you. पहले इसके जो sides हैं ये काट देते हैं. And then I have a slicer here. ये आपको बहुत आसानी से online मिल जाएगा. It's also called a mandolin, so you can use that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice very thin slices of this zucchini. Alright, let's begin with these are done. इन्हें यहाँ side में करते हैं. Now I have to do one more thing. अब इसमें मैं थोड़ा mozzarella cheese डाल दूंगी to give it that nice stringy feel. How pretty it looks, doesn't it? Alright, अब मिक्सचर तैयार है. Let's keep some oil for heating. अब parcels को तैयार करना है filling लगा के, but to fry them we need to coat them, right? So we will coat them with some breadcrumbs, and ताकि breadcrumbs अच्छे से coat हो जाए हमारे parcels पे, उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा slurry बनाना है. तो यहाँ है मेरे पास मैदा, and I'm going to add a little water to it. तो हल्का सा पानी डाल के हम एक पतला सा slurry बना लेंगे. ये ज़्यादा thick भी नहीं होना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा पतला भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Basically, it should be thick enough to be able to hold all the breadcrumbs to the parcel. Time to make the parcels. Don't they look so pretty? चलिए, अब यहाँ पे एक slice रखा, फिर दूसरा slice रखा, फिर एक चम्मच लिया, थोड़ी सी फिलिंग ली, यहाँ पे बीच में डाला. Alright, and फिर let's just close the parcel. Oh, pretty, aren't they? And now time to make some more. Right, our little parcels are ready. Well, almost ready. Come, let's start coating them. तो हम इसे यहाँ करते हैं, slurry को भी पास में करते हैं, and उसके पहले हम चेक करेंगे कि जो तेल है वो करेक्ट टेम्परेचर में है कि नहीं. तो उसके लिए let me just add a little. Yep, I think it's good to go. First, इसे हम slurry में डालेंगे. Shake off the excess. Add it to the breadcrumbs. Use your other hand, which is the dry hand, and then straight goes into the oil. Now the same with the second one. Right, these are done. इन्हें हम slow आंच में fry होने देंगे so that they don't disintegrate, they don't break, और हल्का हल्का उनमें color आ जाए. So while this is getting fried, let me clear my counter and my hands. Alright, हल्का सा इसके ऊपर तेल डाल देंगे I don't want to fiddle with it too much because they are delicate. Alright, these are looking beautifully done. We've got a slight color, but we don't want too much color. अगर आप इसे heavily coat करेंगे breadcrumbs के साथ, then of course ज़्यादा ये brown होंगे. But I prefer it like this. I want to see the little lining of the zucchini. Look at how beautiful these parcels are looking. How pretty they look, don't they? They are looking absolutely amazing. Now, time for the final presentation. All right, now let's place these one on top of the other. थोड़ा सा homemade ketchup जिसकी वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं मेरे YouTube चैनल पर. अब इसका क्या करें? इसको खा लेते हैं, right? And I'm also going to show you how stringy and yummy and cheesy this looks. So here you go. Look at this cheese oozing out. Ooh, can you see the string? Isn't it cute? And धुआं भी निकल रहा है. गरम गरम zucchini parcels खाने का जो मजा है ना, वो और ही कुछ है. Well, मैं मजा तो ले ही रही हूँ, पर आपको क्या करना है? आपको शेयर और लाइक करना है इस वीडियो को, so that all your friends and family also enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Amrita Raichand, Chef and Beyond. Until we meet again, see you soon.